In a dynamic landscape characterized by diverse markets, fast-paced new credit product introductions, and complex technology challenges, Blender stands out as a cloud-based e-lending platform that transcends boundaries. Its compatibility with a wide range of markets, cultures, and languages ensures that lenders can reach borrowers globally, breaking down barriers and fostering financial inclusivity. The platform's fully mobile and web-based interface reflects its commitment to accessibility and convenience. Despite its technological sophistication, Blender remains remarkably simple and user-friendly, allowing credit organizations to navigate complex processes with ease. By streamlining operations and digitalizing the entire loan lifecycle from marketing to collection, Blender empowers lenders to focus on what matters most, making informed lending decisions swiftly and efficiently. Designed to handle massive volumes of loan requests, Blender excels in both online and offline environments. Its lean processes prioritize high completion rates and approvals while simultaneously reducing defaulted loan rates. This emphasis on efficiency translates into tangible benefits for lenders and borrowers alike, creating a win-win scenario in the lending landscape. At the heart of Blender's capabilities lie its utilization of cutting-edge technologies. By harnessing big data, data mining, machine learning, and a myriad of financial and behavioral data points, Blender crafts personalized underwriting decisions for each customer. This approach goes beyond generic risk assessments. It delves deep into each borrower's credit and financial banking history, behavioral economics, socio-demographic factors, and statistical insights. The result? Competitive interest rates that reflect the precise risk of credit default for every borrower, enhancing both affordability and risk management. As consumer preferences shift towards more flexible payment options, Buy Now Pay Later has emerged as a popular choice. Blender recognized this trend early on and swiftly integrated BNPL capabilities into its platform. The velocity at which Blender developed and deployed BNPL capabilities highlights its commitment to meeting market demands swiftly and effectively. By enabling credit organizations to offer BNPL options seamlessly, Blender empowers businesses to attract and retain customers while staying competitive in an evolving financial landscape. In a swiftly changing lending environment, Blender stands as a beacon of innovation and reliability. It's not just a platform. It's a strategic partner in navigating the complexities of modern lending, empowering businesses to thrive in an ever-changing financial ecosystem. Blender is not just a solution, it's a revolution and a new way to finance.